Okay, hey there everybody. I'm headed off to Epic Adventure Outfitters now with M17 Machine. They're going to be putting on some new engine mounts on Fluffy, and then we're going to drop that Predator 2 motor in as well. So today is going to be very exciting. It's Beardo from White Rock Dodge. Let's get into it. Size this shit up. Oh, what do we got here? Is that lined up? Get out of here with here.
Just along this groove?
Yeah, so that groove matches that groove.
Okay. So yeah, we could probably tack it in and then just whack this with like a dead blow.
Yep.
And then we'll curve it in.
So as long as that lines up there, hit it with a clamp or a C-clamp or something. Do you want me to hold something?
Yeah, if you can hold it, that'd be great.
What's your name?
Ben.
Ben?
Yeah.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Don't weld any brake lines to it.
No?
That would be bad.
That would be bad.
That would be pretty bad.
Yeah, is there a way to kind of, maybe we can bunch you out of the way a little bit? Maybe?
Oh, we'll try something. We'll figure something out. We'll figure it out.
Drama.
We do like weld on engine mounts, so it's horribly wrong.
That'd be a
Cops
good
call.
YouTube
Well,
video.
Cops
on
call.
wrong
Yeah.
Fire department.
In the
ambulance.
Yeah, roll the vehicle out.
Called.
Yeah.
It's funny.
Right, that's real.
Perfect. Mounts have just been welded in and painted, right?
Yes, they are. They are nice satin black. I think it's a really good color for this, a really nice shade. We were gonna go with silver, but the owner said no to it. You should be able to get the engine now.
Hold that so it doesn't go into Beardo's truck.
Let's see if we can get hit Beardo's truck with it.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
That's okay. You had 4 feet. You had 4 feet. Yeah, the parking lot goes up and down, so it would have stopped here anyway.
Okay. And we're safe.
Yeah, we're safe. I'm just trying to get you an ICBC claim on the front bumper. So they gotta change it all. Yeah, so see there?
Oh yeah.
So slice knife part. We put a fabric protection that's adhesive to it, and we did the good. What's that company? DEI. DEI. That's good. DEI heat protection tape that we've wrapped the fuel and evap lines in, hoping to prevent fire in the future.
Did it get bigger overnight?
Yep.
That's what she said.
You gotta push the transmission towards me, like that.
There you go.
Oh, Jesus. So if I lower, engine's in. Man, that is so easy.